Before the project deadline, the team had thoroughly researched and considered various approaches, putting in the ideal amount of effort to ensure a successful outcome while minimizing the external impact on the environment. Before the important exam, students were given ample time and resources to acquire the necessary knowledge and skills, enabling them to approach the test confidently and effectively. Before implementing new energy-saving measures, it is essential to discover and evaluate the ideal combination of ingredients and technologies that enable a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions without compromising performance or stability. Before making a life-changing decision, such as choosing a career path, it is important to carefully evaluate all options and consider the ideal balance between personal satisfaction, financial stability, and the external impact on society and the environment. Before embarking on an adventurous journey through the rainforest, it is crucial to acquire the necessary survival skills, knowledge of the ecosystem, and appropriate equipment to ensure a safe and meaningful exploration experience. Before taking a turn in life, such as starting a new chapter or pursuing a different path, it is sensible to reflect on past experiences, acquire new skills if necessary, and approach the change with a positive mindset and the ideal level of effort. Before introducing a new species into an ecosystem, thorough research and analysis should be conducted to understand the potential impact on the native flora and fauna, ensuring a balanced and stable environment for all species involved. Before stepping outside in extreme temperatures, it is essential to dress appropriately to maintain a stable body temperature and prevent injury, ensuring that the ideal layers of clothing and protective gear are worn to minimize the risk of catching a cold or suffering from heat-related ailments. Before implementing a passive solar heating system, it is necessary to discover and utilize the ideal combination of architectural design, insulation, and energy-efficient materials to effectively capture and utilize sunlight for temperature regulation, reducing the reliance on external energy sources. Before developing a new medication, extensive research and testing are required to discover and validate the ideal combination of active and inactive ingredients, ensuring both efficacy and safety while minimizing the potential for adverse side effects. Before embarking on a new project, it is ideal to assess the external impact and greenhouse gas emissions. Before accepting a job offer, approach the opportunity with the right level of effort and consideration. Before implementing new measures, ensure the stability of the existing systems. Before making a choice, evaluate the potential impact and greenhouse gas emissions associated with each option. Before starting a task, ensure that the lighting conditions are sufficient for optimal performance. Before making any decisions, consider the external factors that may have an impact. Before accepting a challenge, stimulate yourself to put in the required effort and achieve success. Before engaging in physical activity, warm up to prevent injury. Before implementing changes, fortunately, we discovered a solution that addressed our dissatisfaction. Before going outside in cold weather, dress sensibly to avoid catching a cold. Before acquiring a new skill, put in the effort to sufficiently learn and practice it. Before taking a turn, ensure that it is safe and free from external obstructions. Before exploring the rainforest, learn about its unique beetle species and their impact on the ecosystem. Before implementing a passive cooling system, evaluate its effectiveness in reducing temperature. Before preparing a meal, gather all the necessary ingredients and measure them correctly. Before implementing new policies, consider their potential impact on greenhouse gas emissions. Before invading a new territory, assess the external factors that may hinder or support success. Before going outside, check the temperature to dress appropriately. Before conducting an experiment, discover the ideal conditions for achieving accurate results. Before implementing new technology, enable effective training to ensure proper utilization.